you own an iPhone and you're wondering how much it costs to replace the battery, it costs roughly $49 to replace iPhones 5, 6, 7, 8, or SE. And for newer iPhones, the ones like iPhone X and newer, those will cost $69. And so there is a caveat. If you have any underlying damage with the iPhone, like let's say your screen is damaged with a crack or something, they may charge you more, probably because they have to. There's a chance they could damage the screen even more, or they don't want to deal with that extra liability. And so you can see over here, this is Apple's official website. Now, if you're under warranty or through Apple Care, it won't cost you any money. But out of warranty, most likely after a year, it'll cost you this dollar amount as well as shipping sometimes. And so I'll include the website here. It's just this URL here. That's it.